Hello friends, welcome back to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make tandoori chicken without oven and very tasty, delicious to eat. I have taken 100 grams curd, that is dahi, some ginger garlic paste, one spoon chili powder, 1 spoon Kashmiri mirch. I put 1 or 2 spoons. You can put according to your taste. Some dhania powder, some jeera powder, some garam masala, half lime, salt to taste, some turmeric. Now I will mix it well. All the masalas nicely I will mix it. Now I will put the whole chicken and put in the masalas nicely. I have cut in the chicken this way. I cut slits, and now to put the masalas in, that all the masalas will go properly inside and set nicely. You have to put the masalas in the chicken, rub it well so the masala gets in nicely. Let the chicken marinate for 1 hour. I have taken 1 big onion, cut up in such big pieces. Chilies, I have slitted the chilies, green red chilies, and 1 tomato cut up in such big piece. So put in the oil, put in the onions along with the chilies. The onions start turning little bit brown, very light golden brown. Then put in the tomatoes. Now I will put the whole chicken to fry. In between, I will keep checking the chicken. Then I will cover it. while the chicken is turning red brown, I will mix little Kashmiri mirch. It will give it a nice color. Tandoori chicken is ready. Very spicy, delicious, tasty to eat.